Hello friends, welcome back to Learn by Rahul, and today we are going to discuss about a very most important topic, what is software test life cycle. So let's start. The software test life cycle it's nothing but it is a step by step procedure to test the application. So here you can see some phases we include in the software test life cycle, or we can say it's a part of software development life cycle. So firstly, we gather requirement from the customer, or we can say we analysis the requirement from the customer. So it is covered under business requirement specification, or we can say in the BRD. So BRD, it's nothing but it's a detailed documentations of our customer requirement. Then we move on the test planning. So test planning is nothing but it's a future testing planning, like what is our objective, or we can say we also covered test scope, what to need to test, what need not to test, and which type of need to test in the application, and which type of environment we need to test the application, and what is our assumptions and what is our objective. So all these things are covered in the test planning. So basically the test planning is done by the test lead or the test manager. Then we move on the test case creation. So on the basis of our test planning or business requirement analysis, we can say on the basis of BID documentations, so we start the test case creations to ensure that all the requirements are covered or not. Then we move on to like requirement traceability matrix. So requirement traceability matrix is nothing but here we map all the requirement of the customer to the test cases. Whatever the test cases creations, we mapped simply to the BID documentation, or we can say the requirement of the customer, or we can say we also covered in the requirement traceability is what technical requirement of customer, right? So after complete the requirement traceability matrix and the test cases are reviewed to ensure that all the test cases are covered, then we move on the test case execution. So here we execute all the test cases one by one, and if we found any defects, it is covered under defect tracking. So defect tracking is nothing but if we found any defect, we again contact back to the developer, right? And the developer resolve that issue, and after the resolve issue the tester again test the application to ensure that all the defects are fixed and our application is working fine as per the customer requirement or not, and all the test cases are executed. We close the test cases and we stop the testing, right? Then we move on like prepare test case execution report to the client. So here we covered a number of test cases, whatever the test cases execution in our project, we make a report, and also we covered how many bugs we found in the application, right? And at the end we do retrospect meeting. So in the retrospect meeting, the all team members discussion about what we have done good in this project, so we will continue that things. Apart from this, what we have did, or we can say what we did wrong in this project, so we will not repeat in our future or the next project. Okay, so this is all about the software test life cycle. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any types of doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.